Good morning guys, in front of me is OUKITEL WP300 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, enroll the settings, then find and select fingerprint, and if you wish to add it, just mark Fingerprint Manager, draw an unlock pattern if you already have one, and if you don't, you will have to create it. Tap on more, agree, and now you can add your fingerprint. The sensor is located on your home button, so just tap here, lift your finger up then and tap again just till it's fully added. You'll be informed on your home screen. Yep, so just keep lifting your finger up just to add the different parts of the fingerprint. Mark done, and now you can smoothly open it here and manage fingerprint functions if you want to. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.